In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click to call link button in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a simple call us link in your navigation that launches the phone dialer when someone taps it, which is especially helpful for mobile visitors and a quick win for conversions. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and opening your account dashboard. From there, head to your site's dashboard and choose Go to Website to open the site you want to edit. Once you're inside the site editor, look to the left-hand panel and open the website section if it isn't already open. Then select Pages. This is where your site's navigation and content items live, and where we'll add the call link. In the Pages panel, click the plus icon to add a new item. When the menu of options appears, choose Link. A link item in Squarespace can point to many things: another page, an external URL, a file, or in our case, a phone number. So this is the right choice for a click to call button. You'll see a field labeled Link Title. Click into it and type Call Us. This is the exact text your visitors will see in your navigation, so keep it short and clear. Next, click into the link field to set what this item points to. By default, it may be set to URL. Change that from URL to phone. You'll see options for call or text. If you momentarily land on text, switch it back to call so it's set to place a phone call rather than open a text message. Now type in the phone number you want people to call. Include the area code, and if you serve international callers, add the country code with a plus sign at the front, like +1 for the United States. Squarespace will automatically generate the proper link behind the scenes, so you don't need to add any special formatting beyond the actual number. Double check that there are no extra spaces or characters. Clean formatting helps ensure every device recognizes the number correctly. When that looks good, click Save. You'll now see your new Call Us link in the Pages panel, typically in the Not Linked or a default section depending on your template. To make it visible where you want, click and drag Call Us into your desired navigation. If you prefer it in the footer or a secondary navigation, drag it to your bottom navigation area. Many sites place a call link in a footer or a utility bar to keep the main menu focused on core pages, but it's totally up to your design. Once it's in place, click the Call Us link to preview. On desktop, your browser may prompt you to choose an app, or it may open a calling app if one is configured. On mobile, tapping the link should immediately open the phone dialer with the number ready to call. If you don't see that behavior, go back into the link settings and confirm the type is set to phone, the action is call, and the number is accurate. A few quick tips to polish this. If your site primarily serves mobile users, consider the placement of this link for visibility. The closer it is to where thumbs naturally rest, the easier it is to tap. Keep the label straightforward. Call Us is clear and universal. If your number changes seasonally or you use a tracking number, you can return to this same link at any time to update the number without altering your menus. That's it. You created a new link item, set it to phone with the call action, entered your number, saved it, positioned it in your navigation, and tested it. With that, your Squarespace site now has a reliable click-to-call link that makes it effortless for visitors to reach you. Thanks for watching, and happy building!